What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you want to charge your Apple Watch and your iPhone, you might want to check this out. I saw this cable, and at first I didn't think this was what I thought it was. I thought it was a box of multiple cables, but as you can see here, this thing has like a splitter on it. So I was obviously crazy tempted to try this sucker out, because this could actually really reduce the cableage that you have to carry with you when you're on a trip, maybe going on vacation, traveling for work. And so you can see it comes packaged like this, little instruction booklet. I don't know that we're gonna need it, but the cool thing about this is it's like a 2-in-1. And first of all, the cables themselves seem pretty good. They've kind of got this rubberized coating. You can see that we have an Apple Watch charger, which looks very much like the OEM. I'd say the plastic is maybe slightly lower end. It's kind of light, but it's just about the same dimension, which is pretty amazing and interesting. Only because if you check out my other videos, some of the aftermarket chargers are, noticeably different. We have what looks like to be a pretty standard lightning connector here. And you can see here, we maybe have about, 7, maybe 8 inches to where they go into this connector. And it goes down to one cable. And I would say that there's probably 3 feet between here and the standard USB-A or USB plug right there. So I'm just gonna plug this into the outlet, and now we have to test it. So first of all, I do have an iPad mini here, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this one in and see if we can get this sucker to charge. Booyah, right there, charging. And now we gotta see if we can also charge an Apple Watch at the same time. Booyah! 2 devices charging, and they are only taking up 1 cable. Pretty cool. So if you want to pick this sucker up, cut the amount of cables that you need to carry in half, especially if you're on the road, whatever. Maybe you're putting an extra cable at your desk. I think it's going to simplify things. It certainly only requires 1 power brick, which is kind of nice. So anyway, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.